Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you how you can easily implement 3 makeup trends into your everyday makeup routine. Now before we get into it, if you enjoy videos like this, do make sure to hit that like button, and as always, if you have not done so already, I welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. Now let's get into it.
First off, you're going to want to use a brightening primer or a glow booster like this one from e.l.f. Definitely want to focus it on all the areas that you really want glowing. Now for that foundation, you're going to want to choose something lightweight like a tinted moisturizer, a BB cream, or a tinted serum. Today I'm going to be using Milani's Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. Now if you have oily skin or need to set your makeup, only do it in the areas you absolutely need to. Now to add some color to your face, make sure to use cream products. Now if you want even more glow, add your favorite highlighter to the high points of your face. I'm using Wet n Wild. You can then set it all into place with your favorite dewy setting spray. Do a simple eye, a nude lip, and let your skin do all the talking. First off, you're going to want to choose a shade that you naturally get when you step out on those cold winter days. Today I'm going to be using a new blush that I got from Avon in the shade Petal Pink. So basically you're going to want to apply it everywhere that your face gets cold first. So like your cheeks, the tip of your nose, and your chin. You next want to go in with a highlighter at the high points of everywhere that you applied. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Pair it with a glossy nude or pink lip, and you got the perfect winter everyday look. Now there are 2 things my grandmother taught me about lipstick. First off, never leave the house without something on your lips. Secondly, no matter what you look like, pop on a red lip and you're going to look put together. First thing I'm going to do is going to make sure I took off any foundation I may have on my lip. I first lined my lips with the Real Her Be Yourself lip liner. Now for the star of the show is this gorgeous ink lacquer from Avon. Now you're ready to take on the day like the bad bitch you are.
Well, that is it for today. I hope you found these tips helpful. Do feel free to share your tips below. And if you do any of the trends I talked about today, please do tag me at Jen Antunes Beauty so I can check you all out and give you props. If you enjoy tips like this, do make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And you also can find me over on TikTok where I do these quick tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.